Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Sannan Rehman and today the topic of my presentation is muscular system. The topic has been divided into 5 sections. Each section is further divided into 3 to 4 subsections. The first section includes skeletal muscles. We'll be talking about the introduction, the origin and development and innervation of the skeletal muscles. In the second section, we'll be talking about the molecular regulation of the muscle development. It includes the muscle origins, different genes involved in this molecular regulation, and patterning of the muscles of the human body. The third section would include muscle regions, specifically head and the limbs. It would further include head musculature, its origin, innervation, and limb musculature along with its origin and innervation. The fourth section, which would be the penultimate section, would include the remaining muscle regions, which are the cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are present throughout the body and will be discussed accordingly. In the last section, we'll be talking about the clinical correlates of the muscular system. This would include the Poland sequence, prune belly syndrome, and muscular dystrophy. I hope you're excited for today's lecture. Keep watching sqadia.com.